Welcome back. In this video, we will cover how to download your Bundle SKUs from your OneCart account. Let's navigate over to your inventory under View, Edit Single SKUs. From here, your OneCart inventory displays, and we have two different options to view your bundles. Let's click on each option. Let's first download the bundle list. Click on Save. Let's open that up. From here, you're able to view the individual components forming each of your bundles. For example, this Bundle SKU brand box is composed of these three variant SKUs. This general bundle, one each bundle, is composed of these four variant SKUs from here to here, and so on. And under column C, quantity and bundle, you can view the number of units for each variant SKU composing the bundle. For example, this H1000-red #L has 3 units in this brand box bundle. However, the medium variant SKU has only 2 units in the brand box, and the small unit has only 1 quantity in the brand box bundle. Let's now click on the download bundle details. Let's save and open. And from here, you have a quick view as to the current quantity on hand for each of the components forming your bundle. For example, the brand box Bundle SKU currently has 3 available quantity. Each of the variant SKU has its current quantity on hand under column E, component, current quantity on hand. The red large has 10 quantity on hand, the medium has 10 quantity on hand, and the small has 5 quantity on hand. This is a very quick and easy way to quickly check your inventory for bundles. And for example, if one of your bundles is set to 0 quantity, it's very easy to find the variant SKU whose quantity is also 0 by downloading this file and checking the relevant row.
Ready to take your e-commerce business to the next level? With OneCart, you get effortless inventory syncing, streamlined listing management, and seamless multi-platform integration. Don't just take our word for it, hear from our happy customers. Experience the OneCart difference and start your free trial today. Simplify your workflow, grow your business. OneCart, your all-in-one e-commerce solution.